Okay, protecting my red potatoes from predators and the winter cold. So I got a frost blanket right here in case it gets below 30, 10 by 12 foot. I'm gonna put it on top of this chicken wire. Oh, I opened up this chest. It's missing it's missing the, it's missing that tray that goes on top. But check it out, copper hinges, copper rivets. You can see one copper rivet right here turning into green, right? So these rivets are made out of copper, and the wood, you know, you got these look like rivets right here, but on the inside there's no you know, rivets on the other side, just on the main, you know, the support structure part. There's some rivets right here, and see how they're made out of copper rivets. Even here, copper hinge protector where this thing closes. But looks pretty solid. Olive drab, really dark olive drab. The sun, you can look right here where the sun's bleached it. But let me get back to the so I got that to protect my potato crops from frost, and I've got to try to get them to go through the winter because you know, it's food, and that's what they look like. They're those red potatoes, those store-bought potatoes. And I just took the ends of the carrots and I planted them, and hopefully, let me see, they'll get a root structure going. I don't know if they will though. And of course, oh, look at this. See that onion right there? That's just the bottom of an onion. I think I might have showed planting that in one of my other videos. And we've got cilantro right here. Let me see. Yeah, this is cilantro right here. So inside this raised bed, I've got, I think that's a leek right there. Same family as the garlic, elephant ear garlic. And I've got those red potatoes, store-bought potatoes. I think I bought them somewhere around, let's see, I planted them in November. I planted these in November. So I probably got the red potatoes in August, or late August, early September. And they sprouted. And you know, the Pontiac Reds and the Russian red potatoes, they're made for the cold. And that's why I think these sprouted. I think these potatoes, red potatoes, came from the north. But they wanted to sprout, and they're thriving. See that? So I got the chicken wire to keep the deer out. And I've got little pots situated to where I can put in a tiki candle and heat this bed up. Got little pots everywhere to kind of keep this stuff alive. And notice I've got carrots, just the ends of the carrots, just stuck in the ground. Hopefully they'll grab. But I've got onions, leeks, garlic, and red potatoes planted in here. And I've also got, I think I threw in some, you know, sugar beet and daikon radish in here, but I can't really see it right now. I don't even know if they sprouted. I got this open, and I planted some more smaller potatoes in here. But the key here is to try to get this food to go year-round. And hopefully this will be successful. And it's very hard to actually grow food year-round. It's the pros, man. Those are the guys that are making it happen. And this is what it looks like. I think I think those are garlic, but they could be leeks. And this is what sprouted. Let me show you here too. You got the clusters that grow right there. Yeah, I think that's garlic. And usually what you'd want to do is separate the clusters, but I haven't done that. I think it looks really nice in a garden, even if you don't want to eat it. Of course, I got another bed over there going, but yeah, I got 60 potatoes, at least 60 potatoes planted in here, with a mixture of other plants. And this screen is going to work to keep the deer out. And also I've got onions in here, and garlic and leeks growing in here, and a rose bush. And in the winter, in case it gets really cold, like into the teens, I'll drop some tiki candles, those really small ones, in here to kind of heat it up. So hopefully this will make it through the winter. That way you could have food year round, and that's the whole goal here. I'm trying to find there's more cilantro right there, but it could work. I almost think you need a greenhouse to make it through the winter, but we'll see how this does, and just see how it does. Trying to create food year round. See y'all later. Get a shot over here. It's pretty nifty.